Sora can create beautiful AI videos, but the real advantage is turning those videos into ads that sell, scale without even waiting on a creator. MakeUGC allows you to import Sora scenes and convert them into TikTok Reels and Shorts ready for ads. No editing timeline required. I just added this amazing living room with a great light on the ceiling and gave this prompt: a close-up shot to the ceiling light in the living room showing how beautiful, modern and aesthetic is, making you feel the emotion of coziness and comfort in your home. Set up to be a Sora, the dimensions, the quality of the video and the length, and let's see how it looks like. And in just a few minutes, you have an amazing result demonstrating your product.
The gentle curves of the ceiling light spill out a warm glow, like ribbons of soft sunlight caught in motion. Its modern lines feel sculpted yet effortless, filling the room.
And you can edit it and customize it in any way you want to suit your requirements. Now let's test another feature of MakeUGC. And it's amazing the variety they have. They offer over 300 AI avatars, which they are realistic and even customizable from different genders, ages, colors, and styles. And you can even add spokesperson moments around your Sora visuals. Now let's go and create a product in hand B-roll video so you can see how easy it is. I'm going to come here, click on this, and I'm going to choose product in hand. Now I'm going to import my product. In the product, I'm adding here basically the image of the product that I want. So I gave a command, an army man with dark hair and feet wearing in his bag the army backpack, because the product I want to show in this example is an army backpack. Not so little like myself. I'm just doing it for example purposes, and just click generate image. It will take a couple of minutes and MakeUGC will give you 3 images that you can choose from. Choose the image you like the most and then follow along. I'm going to choose this one. Now you want to write 2 scripts. The first one is what the person on the image will say in your video. Now myself, for example purposes, I just wrote a short script for my video and also a very draft description. And then I'm just gonna create the video. Before finishing the video, you choose the voice you want your actor to have. I chose this one, Bruce, and I click create. And let's see the end result.
Ready to fight with everything needed.
And this is amazing because you can scale your production. You can even create 200 plus ads per day for cents. And that way you skip agencies, skip delays, and stay consistent. They offer a multi-language voice option for global campaigns, templates built for e-commerce and affiliates, and a full creative workflow inside the platform. What are you waiting? Click the link down in the description and get started with MakeUGC today. Bottom line, Sora makes the footage. MakeUGC.ai makes the ads that perform. Start creating today at MakeUGC.ai. Click the link down in the description and get started today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.